Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. I got my unboxing knife, and the movie I'm going to be unboxing is Top Gun. I got this at Walmart today, and I want to do this unboxing. I got the freaking collector's edition. I've never seen this, but this movie looks so badass, and I cannot wait for Top Gun Maverick. Even if I'm more than likely to go enjoy this movie. I enjoy a lot of Tom Cruise movies. This movie just looks fucking fantastic. But let's get right into it. And if you notice in the background, it's because I'm listening to some music. So we got the Top Gun slipcover. So let's get right into it. Unboxing knife. This thing's so sharp it cuts straight through it. And of course, comes straight off. So here's what the case looks like, same as slipcover. This is the same price as 4K, but I really wanted to get this one. I'm gonna take out the code, and then it's just plain Blu-ray disc artwork. Then you got this Top Gun picture. Then I think that's the decal, not gonna lie. But then the main reason I ended up buying this one is because of this right here. Trying to figure out how this opens up. We got a Top Gun poster, which is why I chose this over the 4K, and I don't have a 4K player, but it did come with the Blu-ray, but I mainly wanted the poster. And this is also a decal, which I think is like a sticker. I'm not too sure. I'll have to figure this out because I've never really got a decal on one of my things before. But this movie just looks fantastic, and I'm glad to finally own this movie in my collection. It's another Tom Cruise movie for my collection, but I know it won't be my favorite Tom Cruise movie because this movie is fantastic. If you guys have not seen Rock of Ages, I highly fucking recommend this movie. I cannot recommend this movie enough. It's, in my opinion, the best musical of all time. Like, there's no, like, nothing compared to it. I mean, there's some people that probably would say otherwise, but this is kind of music I grew up with. This has some just banger after banger song. Put that back on the shelf. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Top Gun unboxing this movie. Cannot wait to check it out. It looks fantastic. It looks badass. Just looks like a great movie overall. So yeah, let's slide the slipcover back on. And the slipcover is also super fantastic. Of course, I'm going to keep the sticker on here, just because I don't want to take a chance of ripping the slipcover, and it actually adds more detail. But that's going to do it for this unboxing. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video if you enjoyed what you're seeing, turn on post notifications if you want to see more physical media content, more unboxings, which I've been doing a lot of recently, and just random stuff all around.